Good afternoon, everybody. And as you know, the rules and regulations, you have to be in your class, in any class, in all your classes, with your cameras on. And if you cannot keep your cameras on, we are very sorry, we will not be allowed to be in the class. So if you want to save yourself a lot of problems, keep your cameras on, otherwise stay out of the class. I've given you enough time. And still, some people are not listening. And we will not take this excuse that network issue or whatever issue, because simply it's a waste of time. And you need to follow instructions. When the teacher is asking you to keep your cameras on, you should keep your cameras on. Otherwise, stay out. All right, continuing with the lesson, the Merchant of Venice. What have you understood in the Merchant of Venice? Tell me, anybody can tell me. अभी तक क्या समझा है, क्या जो जिस आधार पे हमने जो क्लास हुआ था आपका, द लास्ट क्लास विच वाज हेल्ड, व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? हेलो सुहानी कुमारी, व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड और व्हाट हैव यू अंडरस्टूड?
मैम, मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस एक मतलब ड्रामा है जो कि एक फ्रेंडशिप पे मतलब उसमें बताता है कि एक फ्रेंड के लिए वो मतलब मतलब उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर ड्रामा है.
हाँ, प्लीज टेल मी वन कैरेक्टर व्हिच यू हैव whom you have known.
इसमें शार्लोक है, एंटोनियो है, पोर्शिया है और बसेनियो है. लॉरेंजो है, ग्रेटेनियो है.
Graciano. Okay,
और
are you writing down, are you copying, are you making a note of the characters or not?
यस मैम, एक पीपीटी में बना रहे हैं.
Very good, because I can ask you to make a PPT on Merchant of Venice, right? So it is very good that you are making, you're taking down notes, who is what, and if you know the character, you will know the story. Yes, I'm sharing the PPT with you. So in the last class, we were discussing about Portia, and Portia के बारे में बात हो रही थी, and why she is sad. What does the father want? उसके father क्या चाहते हैं? What does he want? उसके father क्या चाहते हैं?
मैम वो चाहते हैं कि वो कोई अगर उसके धन से नहीं उससे प्यार करे.
Yes. Try to speak that in English. Her father wants to marry. Her father wants her to marry who loves her. Who loves her. For that, क्या हुआ था? What was the plan after that? What was the plan? What is this? Casket. What do you mean by casket? I had told you in the previous class, there were 3 caskets. Casket is a wooden box. You see the picture? What is it? Picture देख के बताइए ना क्या है? What is it?
3 कैस्केट है मैम, जिसमें एक गोल्ड, सिल्वर और एक लीड कलर का है।
हाँ, ये किसने बनवाया था? विष्णु, गौतम?
यस मैम।
ये क्यों बनाया गया था? नीतू कुमारी, ये क्यों बनाया गया था? Why was this made?
वो उसके फादर चाहते थे कि
Swani? इसमें क्या है? What is in this casket? What is in the gold casket? What is in the silver casket? Why is this casket made? क्यों बनाया गया था? ये किसने बनवाया था?
मैम पोर्सा के पिताजी ने।
हाँ, Portia's father.
यस मैम।
तो क्या था इसका? इसका राज क्या था इसका? What was the mystery?
जो मैम कास्केट्स चुनेगा उसी से शादी होगा पोर्से का।
तो अगर समझ लिए तो बोला करिए, because they all, if you have understood, please speak, because this already we had discussed in the last class. So again I'm saying there were 3 caskets. Casket is a wooden box. What is it? Please write, you make notes. Casket, it means wooden box. So in one basket. हाँ, सर ये लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर रहे हैं, रिमूव किया गया।
ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं, जब तो सब है अच्छे वो है
विदाउट कैमरा। All right. What you have to do, you have to think about the 3 casket. The 3 casket was made by Portia's father. Please write down the notes. I'm telling you again and again, I will be asking questions. You must keep a notebook ready. Write the question. Who made the casket? Who made the casket? Write the question. I'm telling you to write down the question. Write down the question. In literature, you have to know the content. You have to know the story. First question. What is a casket?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Rohit waiting, ma'am.
No. They are without their cameras on, so I will not allow them.
मैम अभी तुरंत आया वो रोहित।
Yes. What is a casket? Casket is a word which is used by William Shakespeare when he talks about the plans of Portia's father. Hello? So the simple question is, what is a casket? Hello? A casket is a box, like you saw in the picture. So what is this?
आप म्यूट पे हैं। हेलो मैम।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
मैम आप अनम्यूट है मैम।
म्यूट है, अनम्यूट नहीं।
Sorry. So what was
Okay,
the
ma'am.
plan? Technical issues can always come up, crop up anytime. So we cannot say about that. Thank you for correcting me technically. So what was the plan? Did you write the question, Amisha Kumari? Write as many questions which I give you. Write down the question, then only you can answer. Right? जितने क्वेश्चंस हम बता रहे हैं, आपको बता रहे हैं, वो सब लिख डालिए and try to answer these questions. And the casket episode is a very important episode. In your exam, you might be asked, describe the casket episode. So the casket was planned by Portia's father. It was his plans. So Rohit, can you tell me what were his plans and why he was upset? As I said, he was old and he was weak and he was not well. He was not keeping well, and so he was very upset. So why, Rohit, can you tell me why was he upset?
On Portia's father.
Hmm.
I don't know about Portia's father.
Why you don't know about it? I gave you the answer. Why you क्यों वो upset? I gave you. I told you. Can anybody answer this question? Raj Verma, why was his father upset?
Because his father was think about Portia Mary, which people love Portia and not love his money.
Okay. So yes, you have understood the concept, and Rohit, you should understand
Yes,
and
ma'am.
be more attentive in class. And Raj Verma, you need to make the structures strong. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So as you already know, Portia was a very beautiful girl, a young girl, and Portia's father was old, sick, and he was worried, as any father will be worried. किसी भी फादर को चिंता परेशानी हो जाती है. Because why? Because young girl, young daughter, and he wants her to marry a person who loves Portia. and Portia also happens to be very rich. So there were a lot of people who came to marry her just because of wealth. बहुत सारे बैचलर्स शादी करना चाहते थे उसके दौलत से. और इसी बात से रोहित कुमार, आर यू लिसनिंग? इसी बात से पोर्शिया के फादर अपसेट थे कि ही वांटेड समवन.
Why is not clear?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैम आपका आवाज सही से नहीं आ रहा है.
हम तो बता रहे हैं, माइक्रोफोन भी सामने आप देख ही रहे हैं. मे बी सम नेटवर्क इशू. नाउ कैन यू हियर मी? हेलो.
यस मैम, यस मैम.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So as any father would be upset, जैसे किसी फादर को चिंता हो जाएगी अपनी बेटी के लिए, उसी तरह से the same way Portia's father was also very upset and he wanted someone who would not love the wealth but who would love Portia. So he made a plan. And what was the plan? He made 3 caskets. He made how many caskets?
3
Three,
caskets.
ma'am.
3. In one casket there was gold. In one casket there was the gold casket, the silver casket, and the lead casket. So let us talk about the casket. So in one was the gold casket, the silver casket, and the lead casket. In gold casket, there was something in the box which read, as you have seen, who chooseth me shall gain what many men desire. It means जो भी gold choose करेगा. And there was one, in Hindi you call as Swayamvar, in when he had invited so many bachelors to come and choose the caskets. So there was one person who was the Prince of Morocco. And then there was Prince of Aragon. And the third casket, the lead casket, which was chosen by Bassanio. So the casket said, जो भी मुझे चूज करेगा, और आपको चूज करना होता था, तो जिसने भी सही कास्केट को चूज कर लिया, मतलब जो भी लेड कास्केट को चूज करेगा, उसी से पोर्शिया की शादी होगी. तो किसी ने लेड को छुआ ही नहीं, बिकॉज यहाँ पर सिल्वर गोल्ड है. तो many people, many prince, many rich young bachelors, वो जितने भी आते थे, चाहे गोल्ड छू रहे हैं या सिल्वर छू रहे हैं, और सब छट जा रहे हैं. लास्ट में 3 लोग बचे थे. In the end there were 3 people. And who were these 3 people? Again, the Prince of Morocco, Prince of Aragon, and Bassanio. लास्ट में there were 3 persons only जो बच गए थे, बाकी सब चले गए. सभी ने चूज किया गोल्ड या सिल्वर, गोल्ड या सिल्वर. तो ऑन द गोल्ड कास्केट अंदर में क्या स्लिप लिखा हुआ था? अंदर में एक नोट लिखा हुआ था. उसमें लिखा था हु चूजेथ मी, मतलब जो मुझे चूज करेगा, shall gain what many men desire, मतलब उसको वही मिलेगा, वो वही चाहता है जो बहुत सारे लोग चाहते हैं, बहुत सारे मेन चाहते हैं. और वो क्या था? बहुत सारे लोग गोल्ड चाहते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग धन दौलत चाहते हैं. तो रिजेक्ट हो जाता था. अब ये कास्केट टेस्ट हो रहा था. दिस वाज द टेस्ट ऑफ द कास्केट. ठीक है, द टेस्ट ऑफ द कास्केट. अभी समझा रहे हैं आपको.
Okay, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हेलो, कैन यू हियर? Hello? Answer क्यों नहीं करे? Can you hear? Respond if you can hear. And those who chose the silver casket, तो क्या लिखा हुआ था? तो जितने भी लोग थे बस गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में आ रहे थे और लास्ट में देयर वर ओनली 3 पीपल जो बच गए थे. द प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को, द प्रिंस ऑफ एरागॉन एंड बसानियो. तो प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को ने भी गलत चूज किया, गोल्ड चूज किया. एरागॉन, प्रिंस ऑफ एरागॉन, उन्होंने सिल्वर चूज किया. तो जब ये भी चले गए तो सारे लोग चले गए थे. व्हेन एवरीबॉडी लेफ्ट तो एक कास्केट बचा था और वो था लेड का, जो किसी ने छुआ ही नहीं था उसको. लेड कास्केट, चलो इसमें ये तो कोई अनइम्पोर्टेंट चीज है. जहाँ सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड है वहाँ लेड की क्या कीमत है? तो नोबडी टच दिस कास्केट. तो लास्ट 2 प्रिंस जब चले गए, जब प्रिंस ऑफ मोरक्को एंड प्रिंस ऑफ एरागॉन भी चले गए तो बसानियो भी जाने के लिए उठ गया और वो भी जाने लगा. बट ही वाज स्टॉप्ड. So when everybody left the place, Bassanio also started to leave. But Portia stopped him. Portia उसको मदद भी करती है. Portia helps him, and then Bassanio chooses the lead casket. And then after that, what happens? In this casket क्या था? What was in this casket?
पोर्शिया के कुछ फोटो.
पोर्शिया का पोर्ट्रेट था. ठीक है. उसमें क्या अंदर में क्या स्टेप लिखा हुआ था? हाँ, सिल्वर कास्केट में क्या लिखा हुआ था? Who chooseth me shall get as much as he deserves. और उसमें उसमें लिखा हुआ था इडियट का एक फोटो बना हुआ था. तो नेचुरली ये प्रिंस ऑफ एरागॉन जो था ये इडियट की तरह था भी और उसको मिला भी वही कि यू आर एन इडियट और तुमको जितना मिलेगा उतना जितना तुम डिजर्व करते हो तुम्हें उतना ही मिलेगा. तो तुम बिल्कुल पोर्शिया को डिजर्व तो नहीं करते हो. तो जब सब छट गए एंड पोर्शिया was hinting at Bassanio to stop and touch the lead casket. तो ये थर्ड कैस्केट है जिसको किसी ने छुआ नहीं था. तो बसानियो देखिए यहाँ पर नरिसा भी खड़ी है और बहुत सारे लोग भी खड़े हैं जो देखने के लिए कि क्या होने वाला है. और Bassanio touches the lead casket and in this casket was the portrait of Portia. और जिसमें लिखा हुआ था एक नोट था who chooses me must give and hazard all he hath. It means you will get whatever is there in the casket. तो तुम सब कुछ अपना छोड़ करके और सब कुछ सरेंडर कर दोगे. और जब खोल के देखता है अंदर तो he sees that there is the portrait of Portia, and this very moment it is decided that Portia and Bassanio will get married, and at that very point of time the engagement was done and the marriage was fixed with Portia. Bassanio's marriage was Portia's marriage was fixed with Bassanio. So up till the casket episode I have told you. Now you need to understand and write in your own words what is the casket episode. Do you have the content? Do you have the content? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the content?